From the north, millions of wildebeests arrive, a spectacle beyond words. There are events on this planet that no words can truly capture. Each year, millions of wildebeests, zebras and gazelles travel across the 800 kilometers. They move between the Serengeti and the Masai Mara, driven by survival. The total biomass of this migration is immense, dwarfing all other large herbivores. There is no leader or map, only the instinct to survive and find food. They migrate because to stay means to starve on the exhausted land. As the grass in the south dries up, the herd moves in search of rain. When the first rains transform the southern plains, life begins to bloom. Thousands of calves are born daily, a strategy of saturation against predators. A newborn wildebeest must stand within minutes of birth to survive. They must keep up with the herd to be accepted. The calves that pass this test will run with the herd for hundreds of kilometers. Hence, they are different from other animals that rely on complex brains for survival. Before reaching the lush pastures, they must cross the river. The river crossing is the most dangerous part of their journey. Many are injured or killed during this crossing. The pressure from the herd behind creates a cascade effect. The entire herd suddenly plunges into the water. The Nile crocodile is an ancient predator, perfectly adapted for this. They have survived for over 200 million years. They are built for the hunt, with perfect design. They can go for months without food, waiting for the right moment. Their skin has sensors that detect even the smallest vibrations in the water. And they can detect movement from meters away. Their bite is powerful enough to crush bone. The crocodiles wait for the herd to cross. The crocodiles are patient, waiting for the perfect opportunity. They are the masters of the river. They have been here for millions of years. We are the ultimate survivors. On the riverbank, a lioness and her cubs watch the herd. They are hungry, and the herd is their only hope. The river is a barrier, but also a hunting ground. The lioness knows the risks, but she must feed her cubs. The lioness waits for the right moment. The cubs are watching and learning. The hunt is about to begin. The lioness is focused. Her eyes on the herd. The herd is moving, and the lioness is ready. The hunt is on. The lioness moves through the grass, unseen. She is a master of stealth. The herd is getting closer. The lioness is ready to strike. The hunt is about to reach its peak. To reach its peak. The lioness is close now. The lioness is ready to pounce. The hunt is in its final moments. The lioness strikes. The hunt is over. The herd continues its journey. The hunt is on. The cycle of life continues. The Serengeti is a place of endless drama. The story of the migration is a story of survival. The journey is long and dangerous. But the wildebeests are resilient. They will return next year. The cycle continues. The Serengeti is a place of wonders. The migration is a testament to the power of nature. River, a timeless ribbon of blue, carves its way through the emerald landscape, a testament to the enduring power of nature. Here the great river sustains life, creating the stark contrast against the unforgiving dunes of the desert. As we pull back, the true scale of the waterway becomes clear, a vibrant ribbon connecting the urban center to the sea. The vastness of this serene bay stretches to the horizon, reflecting the clear blue sky. Here, the real Negro, dark with the tannins of the forest, merges with the lighter, sediment-rich waters of the Rio Solimões. Here we see the relentless flow of the river, depositing sediment and carving new paths through the otherwise barren terrain before finally reaching the ocean. The shoebill, Rolandus rex, is known for its remarkable, oversized beak and its uncanny ability to remain completely motionless while hunting. The shoebill, with its distinctive shoe-shaped bill and piercing light-colored eyes, is one of the largest flying birds in Africa. The calm water cradles these delicate aquatic plants, each ripple a gentle breath in the fading light. The shoebill, Rolandus rex, is known for its remarkable, oversized beak and its uncanny ability to remain completely motionless while hunting. With specialized wettable plumage, the darter must meticulously dry its feathers in the sun, stretching its distinctive serpentine neck. Found across sub-Saharan Africa, the darter spends much of its time perched, drying and preening its specialized plumage. The great white pelican, a marvel of avian engineering, glides effortlessly across the water. They spend their days foraging and meticulously The great white pelican, a majestic bird known for its distinctive yellow bill and expansive pouch, glides effortlessly across the water. Partially submerged, the pelican begins its powerful display, the massive wings churning the dark water into a turbulent foam. With a wingspan reaching up to 12 feet, the great white pelican glides effortlessly on the warm air currents. Serene and majestic, the great white pelicans spend their days preening and resting in the shallow, calm waters of the lagoon. The contrast here is stark. A parched, unforgiving land needs an endless expanse of tranquility. The hyper-realistic detail captures the slightest ripple on the serene water, mirroring the distant snow-capped peaks and the azure sky above. This ribbon of life carves a path through the arid landscape, creating a dramatic contrast between the vast desert and vibrant green cultivation. Deep within the murky waters of the Congo, the Goliath tigerfish reigns supreme, a fearsome predator with teeth built for tearing. With intricate patterns and powerful claws, the monitor lizard moves cautiously along the sand, ever alert to its surroundings. The monitor lizard, a large reptile with intricate scales, uses its powerful claws near the water's edge. Its long, forked blue tongue samples the air. These pavement ants, or Tetramorium caspidum, form dense foraging columns, moving relentlessly across the dry earth in search of food. A close-up reveals the intricate world of the fire ant. Thousands swarm the nest entrance, each carrying vital supplies back to the colony. The African fish eagle, a symbol of wild majesty, surveys its vast domain from the highest perch. The iconic call of the African fish eagle echoes across the water, a symbol of the continent's wild heart. The African fish eagle, revered as the sound of Africa, soars high above the clouds, ever vigilant. This magnificent bird, the African fish eagle, rarely passes up an opportunity for an easy meal, utilizing its sharp talons to grab its slippery prey. With unmatched precision, the majestic African fish eagle skims the surface, a master of its domain in the serene wilderness. African fish eagle, a symbol of the continent, plunges towards the water at incredible speed. With pinpoint accuracy, it snatches its prey. With unparalleled precision, the fish eagle snatches its meal from the water's surface, securing the vital prize from the way. The African fish eagle, with its striking plumage and powerful beak, is perfectly adapted to its role as an apex predator of the waterways. The martial eagle, a powerful raptor, soars effortlessly above the rugged landscape, its keen eyes surveying the territory below. The martial eagle, one of Africa's largest and most powerful raptors, soars high above the savanna. The steppe eagle, a magnificent predator of the open plains, soars effortlessly above the churning waters. Perfectly camouflaged, these massive reptiles patrol the river, their ancient instincts guiding their slow, silent hunt. The Nile crocodile is a fearsome predator, waiting patiently beneath the murky surface for its prey. A mature dog, the Nile crocodile glides silently to the shallows, its powerful body barely disturbing the surface. With a gaze unchanged for millions of years, the crocodile surveys its kingdom, embodying the patience of ages. The Nile crocodile, an ancient reptile with powerful jaws and eyes on top of its head for stealth, remains patiently watchful. The Nile crocodile, a powerful, ancient reptile, its scaly olive skin concealing immense strength. The massive Nile crocodile, with its tough, scaly skin, moves intently forward, a master of stealth in these calm waters. Thirsty after weeks of migration, the wildebeests must lower their guard to drink. A moment of extreme vulnerability. The Nile crocodile, an ancient reptile with powerful jaws and eyes on top of its head for stealth, remains patiently watchful. The Nile crocodile's grip is unrelenting. This dramatic struggle is a stark reminder of the brutal realities of the savannah. A relic from the age of dinosaurs, the Nile crocodile waits, patient, focused, and utterly silent beneath the murky surface. The Nile crocodile, an apex predator whose lineage stretches back 80 million years, waits patiently beneath the murky surface. Wallowing in the thick mud is essential for the pygmy hippos. It protects their sensitive skin from the tropical sun and insects. The massive hippopotamus spends its days submerged in the cool waters, protecting its sensitive skin from the harsh sun. The hippopotamus, or river horse, spends its days submerged in the cool, muddy water, emerging only at dusk to graze on the riverbanks. Though bulky, the hippopotamus can reach speeds of nearly 20 miles per hour on land, especially when threatened. Submerged in the cooling waters, the hippos find respite from the heat, sharing their space with the ever-present waterfowl. The common hippopotamus spends its days submerged, escaping the intense African sun before emerging to graze at dusk. Covered in its own reddish sunscreen, The hippo grazes peacefully, sharing its space with the vigilant egrets. Here in the heart of the African wetlands, the rhythm of life continues, graceful and untamed. The white-eared cow, known for its dramatic migrations, moves swiftly through the shallow waters of the shed wetland. By their size, hippos are surprisingly agile on land, charging at speeds up to 20 miles per hour, leaving a trail of dust in their wake. The golden hour casts a warm glow upon the tranquil waters, inviting peace. From high above, the sheer scale of the flooded wetlands becomes apparent, a vibrant tapestry of green and gold. A moment of curiosity from the river, revealing the intricate details of the elusive spotted-necked otter. This vast wetland, a stunning mosaic of deep blue and vibrant green, reminds us of the wild beauty that still exists. Sprawling before us, golden grasslands reveal a landscape untouched by time, stretching towards the distant, rugged peaks. Across the vast, golden grasslands, impala move in a continuous line, a journey dictated by the rhythm of the dry season.